for me mamunyina akwaba ene anopen so I think it's a nail on the 4th, right? If I'm not mistaken. And then Saturday edikan ewo afe 2020 ayesimi the me hu ne say a Christopher is struggle our room, but it seemed to be so why we have to address it. Said the bear ebema ibetumi aware na so Christo ani sasundwe ni fia mpaebo kra intumi mubi se okunu ni wo yire ntem problem wo ho a ya na ama efie honom yenkuta ho ye ni onyankopon kuta ho die kra no ema emu beye den sanse adwene no mu ente akoma no mu ente nti ekobasa intumi kra enko emfa nam ye enko awrade anim sanse ba ko wo adwene tia ne yonko nti ema niema intumi enko so se de ewo se ekoso na me check Bible no mu no eniema bebre happen ewo aware mu ema bi no mu hye wo mu kunu mu kutupa ema wo mu di bonitia awrade eniema bebre koso ye check Ananias ne Safaria omu mienu koya adwene kro so omu bi di ntra kire awrade enam se omu mienu ya adwene kro so omu bi di boninti omu mienu wonyame anspare wo mu ye check Bible no ma niema bebre ne siye obi tumi ka se mame anotoa mikuna me ware no oni me ho adwempa onwene papa mame ommoa me obi tumi ka se me yira me ware no ono so ommoa me oni me ho adwene papa last obi kura ka kire me se ni kunu se so de be ye japade pa na oni ne be gyae na ombe kyede enya de obeye bi obi so ka kire ne yire se so obeye bibia ma no pa ka de be twa nanum mo de be wenam eniema bebre na me check Bible no mi hu mema bi wo honoma na omoyire no mu nim nyansa che wo ene ye wo bema bi so wo Bible no mo so nim nyansa che wo moyire no na sami enu ikohia de wo aben no otumi bua de yada won ema sondwe eba ema eniema tumi koso ewo aware mu na me kenkan Bible yi wo de say 1 Samuel 25 wo na me kenkan bibia fa Abigail ene nikunu Naba Bible no kire se Naba no na se kire se ojejentwie o ye foolish man na onim nyansa na Abigail no so ye oba ho fefo a na onim nyansa pa na ye ba ya brabo mu a ye wo ma bisa wo ho a they were very smart intelligent women ena omako ware sa meme and ye ba Christo mu a we don't divorce. What can we do? We have to use our intelligent mind to help our husbands. The same as also in the Bible, Job yiri ebi. Ono so onyame hira wo mo pa na nya asem ketwa. Edrubre bi nsohwe bai. Nsohwe ne druye no oba no refidi onyame ayama woni ne kunu. Emre bi atwam. Ema wo ka kire ne kunu se ondomi nyankopon. Enam se ne kunu yi nyansafo nti o kachre odidi oba natem oti ase o shuttle ne down se kanye be ma ne nyansa okuta ena o fa oba na sama wo ka nke ne Job ku wi wa bra oni nko but enam se wo ye be ma nyansafo na wo ye fieti no okuta kokoduro na onim di onyankopon atimi ayama no na onye ungrateful nti o shuttle ne yire se de be ya oba ne convince no me check Bible no so me hu e de say Jezebel ni wokunu abra na wo mkoje na boto be ni kunu pese oje na boto bobetro na boto ampene se odi bobetro no be ma no oba fia one na yire be kasa ye nam se oba na yejimifo na wo yejejentwi nti o try se obi kum na boto na waje bobetro na maniku ekoso a real life sisi ya me no wo mu e ma bebre supporting their husbands taking people's property ne chino emfa asumdwema ebi ene woni ho to cause your children and your grandchildren ebeya oyune abeto no oma ene wo chirima so abra oko ye janom aye boni woni ho ye janom bi e de atutura sem koje nkofo ajapade ebinum kofa nkofo yirenom ebinum ye niam na ensem fata ene woni ho aye asudie ewo achirima so abeye no me obi kura papa koji obi yire obi koji obi eja pade ma ye kan no me nsem gu no so me ne nanonom na etwa so oba enye komo eniema ekoso edie ne ebeye as Christians ayenya no me emma ye nchirima ewo yawariyum edie na yeye ebema onyame yi ne nse free yeso wo de no me beto yeso ebema ye mu bi kura ye free asase so ntem emema bebrewu a wo mu age enu so mu because of niema bi o maye ebinum sorry tia ebinum obukra ho aban mu oti ase wo kuta power obituma ye bibi na wa ye bibi etia obi obafie no obeka na ne yere one ne yere na o maye anokro oba no so tumi ma be ma na dwen ne ye bone etia obi. They enjoying today, but they don't know the next when they are not here what is going to happen to the generation, their family. And no one I ever chania cancer, near who quite a befasoa. See, a Christopher dear, we have to be careful. You must be warrior himful. A bin din trojan call for sassy Tommy probably. If you are a woman, be like Abigail. Advise your husband to stop it, otherwise you will be in big trouble. And maybe so their wives are giving them bad advices to do something against God. When you do it, you will be in trouble. A bit also woman can boom to say and they say Ananias and Sapphira. They all sit in their bed middle of the night. They get up, no Messiah Jenny, a dear Omobeya, a bit see ready. If you're not careful, both of you will be out from this world. So what you say, Bible said you nipa guno, and no ana ocha. And near may be coso, it be a butcher crampo, and near may be coso, ono yerentem. You're trying to take somebody's property. You're trying to do something bad, evil to someone. Or baby so be or feel baby or ba, or you are to come, or convince you to divorce your wife, to divorce your husband. Be wise. Otherwise, you'll be in big trouble. Tine, you might be heard Bible, no near sense. Is that true? Is this happening? Ubebi o Bible nako 1 Samuel chapter 25. Na yenko bibi ewo. 1 Samuel chapter 25. Na yenko bibi ewo. Me start here free 3 no. Mebo boso kakra se be ya yenche. Because my kika some kakra it just no say somewhere or say somewhere awo nabo enkwasi asem itri asem no o say na oberima no edin de naba na ne yiri din de Abigail na oba no wo adwempa na ne ho nso ye fe na oberima no die na oyede na ne no yoye enye na oye kalabuni osi na oba no okuta dwempa ne ho ye fe oberima no soso na oye den. So what you say oye den obo he's a hash man oye hash oye hash wo munipa oye hantan. Mamin ko brofo no 1 Samuel 25. Mamin ko brofo no na me no won kan kakra so e wo brofo nim 25 or say brofo no say 3 no say this man's name I mean shall see for 2 or say now there was a man in Moab whose business was in Carmel. He was a very rich man. Nabal was no can. He has 3,000 sheep and 1,000 goats, and he was sharing his sheep in Carmel. This man's name was Nabal, and his wife's name was Abigail. She was sensible and beautiful, but he was harsh and mean. The man was harsh and mean. They were harsh and mean. Odru baby crowd, just you know, talk to these people. Who the name called to say on your fun person. What you see, and or your hash or your hand time, they don't bow down to no one. Nti bibia just obano and the didi chile na obwa because a cabema non could be in sense you could any day. emma omo enum na abranti ye bibi me jumpo akọ 9 no was when David young men came to Nabal David small ne nkofo ano no omo wosre so ena Nabal so enko a omo esre so eye enwan na omo kohia no David ne nkofo no they treat them very well nti owie no obo ne din kire no se kone koka kire ura 9 was when David young men came to eba 8 was yeah ask your young men and let them tell you be kind to my so they make kind the one here on TC eba I'm starting 4 thank you was where David was in desert he heard that Nabal was shearing his sheep. So David sent 10 young men and told them, go to Carmel, visit Nabal, and greet him for me. Say to him, may you live long, may your home and all you have prosper. I hear that your sheep shearers are with you. Your shepherd has been with us, and we have not mistreated them. Nothing of theirs has been missing as long as they are being in Carmel. Ask your young men and let them tell you. Be kind to my young men since we have come on a special occasion. Please give us and your son David anything you can spare. When David's young men came to Nabal, David nesman the manu so monko no money Nabal and kokasa emfa no ho ye no eyatna sere so omu bibia nyira e treat you omo nice bibia ye kama ewa ha o say onko kanche Nabasa o say to Nabal they repeated all of these to him for David, and then they waited. Who is Nabal nebeka say o say onkofo no kokaka David hu nsem e kire omo de ekoso e wo sere no so de omo ye ani bibia no omo kasa okasa kire omo wie no o say who is Nabal who is David ebi obi aba who ni mami anoto a ye ne na wo ha wo ye good say ye ne kotena ye kra bibia anyira da omo treat ye nice obi na no a mami anoto a o say wan ni mami anoto a tie obusasa to yi chiki samam why ni David o say Nabal answered, David's servant who is Jesse's son. So many servants nowadays are leaving their masters. And then kwa bebre omo nama no mo do master din why ni David o say should I take my bread, my water and my meat that I butchered for my sheep, my shares, and give them to men coming from who knows where? Omo ba na sundwem omo be kan David hu asama kire on David na asoma omo but chikia Naba enam so wo ye jejentwi so Bible na ka so wo ye jejentwi wo ye jimifo omu nipa onfere obi a onfa wo sika omu ade enti onfere obi mu obi a enti oba no hwan ni David muna mo ba ma ba gina no na mo ye na David say hwan ni David Jesse ba na wana hwan so what you say nti me fa me duane amaye ene me pan no ne me niam na me fa mamuni no way I won't do that na TNT 11 no say should I take my bread, my water and my meat and I butchered for my sharers and give them to men coming from who knows where? That's how he talked. And David's young men returned and told him all this. Each of you put on your sword, David told his men. After David Farjin said, akwa some fun wa ka kire minti se me ma woni ne fie o motena se kura onyame kura wo musa me inti o say one of the young men okay kan say we mi twitwa so ha no e na mrante mu ba ku dwane ye no ko abige ho no say ei asama wo kuna ko fa bani o wa anya hu bibi de ani asama ba o say one of the young men told Abigail, Nabal's wife, David sent messengers from the desert to greet our master, who yelled at them. Those men were very good to us. They didn't mistreat us, and we found that nothing was missing wherever we went with them when we were in the field. They were well protected us day and night as long as we were watching the sheep near them. Now, consider what you should do, because our master and his whole household are doomed. Because not David before so about be destroy and he is such a worthless man that is useless to talk to him. So Abigail quickly took 200 loaves of bread, a full wineskin, butchered a sheep, and roasted grain, 100 what they make can. Abigail says asem oyentem won woniane. Okumu dan won woniane ye bibia yentem. Emma ne mfna ne edi nanim se monka mo ho ne yenko hia David. Oduru won wo bow down wo se miwura. Me so hwemanim. Ne fami kuna dia waye bia chem. Me di aduane me di we ba. The Bible says she bowed down. If you have time, read it. The Bible says she bowed down in front of David. A pleaded for man nikunu because of nikunu some hum what do. And Abigail say, bra, when you make no ni di number no kura as children say we didn't cheat, we did before. Nti me srow, jai bibia mame. Na aduane ni we na me dia basom na fama wonko yi. Me pa chaw. Nti Bible says David who say Abigail oba ho fefo onimunyansa ekwo fa so be butu David anim pa chaw eye bibia sande nuane bae ebre no na ama David apoto. Nti ma was stop whatever he wants to do to Nabal. Ne yire ma ne te ase se ni kunu ye jimifo wo ye jejenchi onimunyansa ni binu mu bon won kasa ye wo jimi ono oba na oware no oni bema waware no enam so onu ni nyansa nti oba ni di animu ko kamo the storm that is coming to them or kamo ne da emma bebre we know yikun musindo. Sometimes when they talk in koye, sometimes when they throw cheek utumu say nyansa nim wo unim nyansa no nti no nyame aka mo bom no. Help the man before your house go bad. But we don't do it. They need our help, but we won't help. We will just sit back. No, makoya de will be a dume woman near cancer go so na brabona say na kind. Okay, Bama the Befi na all can be after will be now a bow be un po a be a what to say. With your tone voice, you have to sit down and speak to your husband and say, no way, I won't want you to do this. Because we are a son, but most of us, we support our husband's foolishness for them to do bad to other people. At the end of the day, when we are not here, now be muscle. Sisi ameno kase, obini ne yira tram paso abopo, okoyi obi efre djuma mu, okoto aduru tia obi, okoji obi asase, okoji obi ebjapade, okoji obi ade papa wa yesi wo. Ne yire a onim nyansa nka onyamede na bebata no, so won support ni kunu no, won never say miwura, ade a wo yi, insunsunsu bi beba, won hwe yi kura ye kra be free yensa. Enti jai, na de kuro ne kura no no, onfa. They won't do that. They will rather support. If you are like Abigail there, I want you to do that. The beauty is not only makeups that we put on and the clothes that we wear. It's the mind that we have, the things that we say, the things that comes from our heart. And not that we are beautiful. Okay? The Bible talked about Abigail. Was still a sensible woman. She's wise. She has wisdom. And at the same time, she's beautiful. And you will be able. There was some women, they were so beautiful and very wise. But when we married to some men, our mom didn't cheat to say because it's a Bible Musa number, your number be the child. last minute woman be din komo na o chire mu ekwan ni kunu mi hwe na me de ne toto number na se no se be ma ne kasa se pa de ne number mi hwe se de oba na su kasa ntum so unim nyansa na se sister ne oba boa ukun wo adwuma ye ukun no wadi say wadi 40 years and ye hunde say wadi 20 sa wo mu sa no because sa adwene ne sa wo fom de a ye wadi 40 no you have to treat that person like we 20 years. What you say? Because our rimu a man could 70%, a man could only 30 experience in marriage. And so Obama or 30 no one about 20 years ago. Obama say Yamisu when it comes to marriage. But it seems like we don't help them, but we rather for almost so to do bad. And at the end of the day, we will be the victim too. Me check say the woman is sick as no. Me who say no. It baby we have to step up. Also catch and say no. I won't even build the house because if I do it and I divorce you, that means I will not do so be jaw. And I'm saying now, oh yeah, the name was a man who miss so not open home. Do you see the way he's talking? And I'm saying now, what friend was me catch any man, and Mrs. Sana and papa. And let me tell you something: 90% of men who person who ne really any subaya check ne papa se ne papa tia sia. E kwa papa ne fast ni bibia sa pepepe. I just said you wa fanyame. I just said you nyame suru woni mu. Na wo say nyame say nyesei and yes exactly. Said se ne papa no wo so ma sa no tie. Se ne papa nhwe ma sa no tie. Se ne papa no mfa nipa nyehia sa no tie. Die obeso che firi ho ye die wo nyame. Die wo ye kristoni. Ene betima sesa from the ne papa ye no through Christo. Anyesa said the no papa city no that's busawase the same line and no so na odo befa. Nti ukushia bema bi say ya no wo from sa you have to come out as Abigail. Step in. The bia ye kwa wari aye stress e mema ni nye japade mfama ye no. Sometimes we who know what's all the pink as bottom. For you people, it's not like you're hiding to go do something. No. Sometimes it's you. And what's all the pink as bottom. Now what the boy mama ye. But what chance someone no for pink as bottom the awo. Mubet no sister make a sister. Yet to be fee, you just 25 million or someone a month. Me kunu juma kesiye unyesika. Nka we can do something. What's in our who's me wum kran say. Ya ye bibi na me kunu majisika. Me di ye bibi no won sabe da meka. Se manfa mama dia wo de be ye me pa. Enya asem ketwa. Otumi chime ti se ni nipa hunu na ba ne nchen abajisika. When you see something like this, know that your husband is a number. And that doesn't permit you to divorce him. Now you are going to bring your smartness and your intelligence to help the man to be complete. Because the Bible can also about when you say be on abeju ukununkwa ukunu when you say be on abeju oyerenkwa. Adia oye ne diniko wum. If you did not come in and support, at the end of the day, you be from somewhere you're good for nothing people. Some men are like that, especially this generation. And you know, papa, you what to tell. And it's like you're raising a kid a whole lot. You have to love him and help him. Forget about everything. It's your cross. Love the man, help him. Everything. Some of them are so hard because of a hand tiny day. Who could tell Jimmy be a old man and remember be so much but some of them they will rather call alcoholics friends. They will consult them. Who in a casa on Pamuno na for no more in some. Now they are some alcohol. I don't know what the man and no the Bayajuma. Who was small kind on Fanyajum. You refuse to say a woman on the neighbor brass, China Uniwa, and Colani Gusu, China Uniwa, and Colani Guniso. They won't take it. The same as a Mabiso. bema ni nim nyansa se ko oboa ni kuna ko ma ko nim but wo mo bema ni da bema ni hihya no no ojirigu bema ni hihya no no ojirigu bema ni hihya no no ojirigu nti ma bema ni ntumi nko nanim wa brabom nti wotumi nu no se wa ware but Kristo nti ojai so a enyeye a man be mama be says from now mukutajene no more vision. They want to do things, but because of their wives, they pull them down, they could not reach their goals. So what you say? So I'm telling you, say today, David was very wise. None of Jimmy. They say, Job. And the internet make us know why your wise none of Jimmy. While man kwan kan do me urade the man yiri Jimmy and say o Jimmy for na be ka kire ni krusa do me urade ne obi a wodim nyansa te say Abigail will never tell her husband to curse God and die or to do something etie nyankopon oba nyansa fo nkasa enti nam say na Job yiri Jimmy for na ni kruso ni nyansa because say ko do me onyame no wu ya nkasa maba ube yekuna ba omis eni maybe nkoso se de na wote ase no what do you have but Job is smart you say no nkoso se be na wo kan Jimmy se be no wote oba no wan fo de Jimmy se ma no de ba ama ode oyo ne abeto oni urade ntam no because wo kese urade no wu ya first ko nyankwa wote ase second oko Hades oko akosofa nso meka se no ne dampam de nsa fifa ne tiri ho so wodo na obi a wodo me de ede na osi me ndom Awurade na menwu ne che se wo pa mi wuo nti me hwe mu no made hwe mu no me hu se na Job yiri so yegimifo sa na ha soso na ba soso oyi degentwie so what you say omo bi ni wa omo help ye ti bema bi otumi tena sika sesa me yire boa me kai me nua bema bi me hu nipa o ka kire me o se sister boa me kama komani me ba bru t-shirt kura me toye me de sika bia me de benya bia me de coffee wo fie ma ton sase ma na ton di stores me de dai kura mu bia no nipa no be ko ma nipa na tu me bre me mo jeni sa na me de ko no shiska no mitimi de sika kase ko no hye bibia me de mesi anu so onye bia na sika na hye na mi busa me hu sika no kora wode ye dai afi na brother na sam ye ma reho ko se te mi sika sasa ne yire boa na ko nani but oba na mo no ni nyina ne se oye jimifo the same as maybe they were very smart, intelligent, wise. What the one Jenny Canadian one, a devil, whatever devil do is. Also, banning in Yansasa, one communication, crying you good one, Beman and them. Uberman and General Nema Koye, on penny. What you say, or block communication all the time. Every time when himself will get you closer, he will reach somewhere. Until they won't do that. Dan in come by a da wabronsa. Ubia wabro, asembe na neka, amana koye. Ubia wari en sambro, die pan na ne beka bekom, ade beti na ne refi. Nso Bible ne kan kodru baby ma ehun se Abigail ne kun no kra no so no yen sadwam. Me hwa. Unti de si wa. Unti de si wa. Me kan free e de say for crying free. Okay. Me de free 21st Samuel chapter 25-24. Was after she bowed at his feet, she said, "Sir, let me held responsible for this wrong. Please, let me speak with you. Please listen to my words." Abigail David say you shouldn't take this worthless person number serious. What you small catch David? You want kabaka kujina David in some phone na wudi. Ade mi kunu ayo dey. Ade wani biri mi kunu on. Mishama wani biri mi kunu pa. And some from Ben Osman unko an so maya, yes was a son of Fossa will buy a fee, and your brother Baba to a soldier for her. 1 year out. By your movie sanity. You couldn't be in some was a yen no, your brand your mass, and you know more cast ye, now some dream bano, especially a museum. Nto question no akujina, some from Ben and Mikundino. Ah, and in your mafuna muyeti Mikumina Preso, instead of Sakoba, no brand wants to be back a sentence, no here. So no banner no said. Listen to what Abigail did. Or say, you shouldn't take this worthless person Nabal serious. She told the truth. Oh my David was some Nikuni and Jimmy for taking it serious. Fancy, nothing no good now. I know when the boom come back to the fear coin. No crane woman let the person know. None come and turn him. She no cry nede. I mean, just meet my country no. She no nede. She no nede. She no nede. 25. Or say 25. She no nede. 25. Go home. Or say Miss Row, Emma, Ura, Emfa, Nakuma, Ento Onipa, Huni, Nabo Yiso, na se ni din tie no sa o se ni din tie no sa o tie ara ne no naba ni din ni din ajejenchi sam wo ni mu na me de wafena de mehunu me miwura emrato a wosoma won na afei miwura se Awurade tiasi na wo kra tiasi Awurade ensanka wo na wa medi moja ho so se wodi o e dia na babu yami e dia na twi na dia mai what is your kind so I'm some kind in English, you know. Also, you shouldn't take this worthless person Nabal serious. He is like his name. Okay. Mikun, what is any deal? What you did before? He is like his name. His name is Nabal, godless fool. And he's foolish. A small bano, Abigail catcher, David, you know. Because I was so mad David who ni kunu sinto di ntia me kunu kasasa no ye Jimmy Fontia unim ni di won ni di na se kire kura kire Jimmy fo enti am taking it serious hwemanim na fa bibia che she bowed down and apologized to David wo koso wan kon nsapan wo de bibi kura ni nsam koi But how many of us does this? But we don't say it. We rather cover it. You know it. Obonko fopo no be abesi wonum so woni ni ba be connection oni ni be business wo hwe no woni se wokunu nipa miensa nam enan wono o mayama nyema si odi sika no ama problem aba ama nuaburu nyina bam na obi foforo asamba woni se de besi no ebi be kan ntimi no wa no mafra bra mam no nkasa miti ya mo ye minimo minka ho me kunu ti wabusa no nipa miensa no mone na ye business ankoyi bra office obey your business a china bi me mpa bodi na keka e china nkunu wa ye na mebodua na yekutukuta wonan me kunu wonye trustworthy when it comes to money nipa miensa na try no ni nyina wadi wo musika me mane nyansa na wo begina no mba ye mebodua ama mabebu nkotodwa pa ocho emfa wo sika ne mfa ma mebom ensem wo ba be ye business na de o sha se ye beginning no me hu de kokosi ye e kire mi ko dwato koi ansa na nipa na koma eto ne yam o yesu obebodua e de na sefo akoda ase. You tell the person like this, But we don't say it. We see danger coming, we invite the danger. Eh, me kunu no menka. One of them is sabon kumbetre ni fie kwan. Enya de ameka ho asem. Manenye, ai, nyehwe. Odi ni sika ba na edia. Oni odi pa mu nyina so no modie. Enne so so nam senya misu ni nipa mu nti nche na nipa kutakosua. Wo se memodua. Wo so so de waye nti wo nyina yi wo boso beka ho. So what you say? E chira no wo no ja oma. We cover our wives. What to musa we yire obey. Onye correct. Onye ko ni nsakra ha no. Adamfo bi ben no one ne ye niam bi ka kire sister na say won't stay away from your wife. Oto wa fa namfo be du omu nyina ntokwa sifia emu hina poni duaboro. You don't want that. What warning no? On stay away. O yiri ni sintone say she can't keep friends. Every day it ends up with diabo into on stay away. O yiri ye trust no wonye obi yitimi ni ye business yitimi ni sika ye japade bi hye nsa wona no ede wo ye trofo wo de no be fefa ho de ade ne be ma at the end of the day e be ba be ye ntokwa enye no so ntini mitime ja me yire. But I'm telling you to stay away na chine bi mama me butu nkotoje ankokwa anto so se me kodane dua. I cannot do that. As Christians, we should let people know the other side of our spouse, especially the business ones, especially him for no what back what ton asase ba kwa manipa ten what's that to sister what who say brother be asafra buchira ba onu kunu di asase na no won so nim sa asase no problem wo ho nti ku pia bonte na no fa chire no akọ bra mi kunu sa wa oni ma waresem ukokan be problem mi ko gina na nim ko kasem be problem mi kunu nye trustworthy what ton asase ya manipa 5 me sra wonya fa sika na mai fa usika ko efi me kunu nsi ya period. Simple as ABC. But when you know be general, oh, I that's something the baby that you good pa. What you sit there is secret, what no you new site a man for bow. And what you come up, what you see dying out to say, assassin crash, no what you do. Then you cheer say, man soon that's all. Until we are beginning your now say which one the job we Ananias ni yiri safira de na oye atro ye mu bia no ntima ware no kro ntimi nyina ye mu bebre because of this catastrophe dream ene ni mafunu nti ye kunu bi wu agyaye ye yiri no bi wu agyaye ebinum de nkontom pa kwaje obi ade ye support wo mu ama wo mu ni na he was asase. But when it comes to Sunday we go to church. If we are smart, because ya bo ibinum ye Jimmy for ya bo ma kan ya ho ya ware ware binum e ma ne bisu ye Jimmy for ya bo mo ya ware ware binum si ntimi nya ware no dia, then we have to help them. I mean san no nko hase inti di si meme bia me kon masama omo ya wo si o ma me anochoa Bible ka ewo Proverbs chapter 20. Or send say beautiful and Sunday way and talk a penny. You 2 months time on me answer. Okay? And maybe Tom and some time, Umuni me answer. And maybe be so Tom some time, Umuni me answer. Yeah, say 36 no medruno. Or so when Abigail came to Naba, Tama or Koya or David Cossati Bibia or by him. So when Abigail came to Nabal, he was holding a banquet in his home. It was like a king's banquet. No way party power. Abigail koya oko pacha oko ye bibia ko stopo di nkeba omosono. Meja fudie tifie. I hold the banquet so two party enya komo. Every party kura woto. O see he was in good mood and very drunk. You hear that? Nes oye sajiam. Oye pocha. So what you see your friend and for send ye nya two party momentum. Safo no. Nyansa pa. Oh, abone send ye Jones abo akoko. Cause we be nyameti ni mu bia wonwensa. De bia adwene ni ye adwuma. Oh say akọ kan nti no o te sa no. He was in a good mood and very drunk. Some man ube was an Indian was resi no abro. Obe bonsri here ya no abu. A common man so. Sao ban ube banu bonsri here no be a synonym or chichibia wikibab. A bananiso and you fitikuti no the nyum neba. On Tijai. So she didn't tell him anything until dawn. You see, when you see your husband is drunk and we're still time, and kofa Jenny Biasa, this is what Abigail did. Also, Bruno, on a nankasa until the new minute say, and some of the tin so no, until dawn. There's until Ahumachi. Sabren and Sana day at a tin so. But we be nipa na Bruno na kwaku mame no nkasa ekuya na so mame no nkasa ha kamiti o ha no city and meet you wa bro de o kai bi ni wa wote nti ye nwesi time ene kowensa ni obi a wa bro nsa enkasa oh me moy me no ba ko pe don't waste your time. Or say 37 also, but in the morning when the effect of the wine had worn off, Neso brana Jonosano, or banana nankasa, until anopa. Taman sanity tin and iso. Satam ne najina befie because will be our brubi and najin nifie. Or yen be biasa or enche na the bofu, and chano a snapo, until I know kununam no abura, a manan kanka. Yes, I will be okotugu. Uno man the good cat or kotumugu, or kukumu. Bama so brua, ah. Only the Becandi, or Mubuso and tro, or Barbara with chantro, Bema bro chantro. When you become and say now your book was a memabo. What to say it is from was a memory. Ubeka won some Nina or some memory. Ubit me in the Kunu for Kini Mammy, Namin Kakan was a memory for Kini Mam. Messinia Menon, we will wrestle. And you can't be dickan. Some extra card in power was also one way, Unqua Cuckoo. Minton would die. What bet uncle fucking him out, and you can't come back up. And so, Sister Bina could go through one in the Magukan, brown apple, and so or more into a man in Chica. Nti ye ne kwawensa ni nkasa o. Ye chairman something tin ani so, ansa ne ye ne nakasa. Wo mansa no wona ni so sa wona ne bekasa, wo kasa gu bregu. Dia wo kan nyina wamfa. Yenti wo hai. Wo say one off. His wife told him what had happened. Nabal's heart failed and he could not move. Or can't the children Nakuma say tio said they heart failure and he couldn't move. He couldn't move. Or say about 10 days later, the Lord made him even more sick. After 10 days later, onyame mane yare kesekra, and Nabal died. So the petition sign nipa. Unse nam so yidi ntwi nti hu sam ye ne de. Omua do munipa nti wono kwa oto wamfa nyame. Wote ase oni nyame ni twaka, omfa nyame ho. Koso wo sha ase so utu chikia, omfa obi a ho. Unse wo sa no wo ya hantan. Umua de omfere obia ono no obe boni mu ase je se ni nyame na afiri na konwa so firi soro ba fam ansa na woni na kasa obe hia sofo bi kura wo ye wo mu no omfa no ho o kasetia no rough wo ka obia sa obe che hwan na wone hwan so what you say o kasetia nipa rough wo mu nipa che se wo te ho so no so wonsa ne ma fam nti sa nkofo no wo ni nyame ni twaka cause wo ni nyame wo twaka kran ko moro. So what you say? To nyame krasa man ya de mu ye dey e ye den ikumulo ne kum ne yenti di see. Was it when 39 was it when David heard Nabal was dead, he said, "Blessed be the Lord who defended me against the insult of Nabal and kept me from doing wrong." Sankof no mu kura nipa nije. Because one kasani nipa. David tisa wa wuno eye ne de oda nyame ase. The Lord has turned Nabal's own wickedness back on him. Then David sent men on his behalf. David sent men, I have it they say. Then David sent men on his behalf to propose marriage to Abigail. What did you see? David takes a number a wuno. Abigail koshia number and David no boni mu ase a o kan ikunu de o ya o pa David che. One na nkoso mo kotwe mpana wo. Da bi o. Wan nkoso David ho ya na fenti wo ana David so ho Abigail na no ho fe pa ba wan approach no bibia ho. By the reason why minim say naba wu ye David ye ntem esuma ne nko ase ye nko propose aware no say oba ni munyansa. The way she talked to him, no, when says how about we want na want to second, she's very smart. And tis a nikunu and Tiafin won't say who kunu and son what you ma from. David and Cassa Abigail Nimunyansa Nikunu Jimmy Timami Nick or banning free Nikunum. He did not do that. Or accepting him or the man on Edward J. Or Jamie Coyman go back to Nikunu. Bible nan Cassa one in the share or Cassa who you cross or Jimmy. Kujano na bra na menwaro no eno nye David ne kum na ba o eye urade me kan esa wote o si urade nyankopon ma na yare no mu ye den na woku no nti nye David ene kum na ba efa na yire Abigail wono ani wickedness na didi ntwi sam ene na hantan sam ene impocha ne nsabjiam ne kum no ne boni a wodi mu nyame to ne so wire. Until after that, now David trust who said no. Akwe na ye woni munyansa pa. Nti so wudi a monko no mko ware oba no fa no mreme. Some men they see qualities in us. Obi se ne yiri wu a onche no wonya yire foforo. The way said you sit here. Said you see good nti enche no wonya yire foforo. Nipa di no ho dance here the way mine no you good oh my way you good oh yes ni yiri na wu mine ni good encho no wonya yire foforo obi tumi tena se ka mine ni die no ho dwo o ne yiri ti ase pa se di woni ne yiri si tie ne ho ni asem oba no kwa se di se no tie ba mine che se woni ti ne yiri from o you good se di usi hwe me ma se di usi yesi nti wo so to na woni kunu na wo gye ho oh okay nti so hia no what they can pay us your Matthias here. Or cancer me pay you Matthias here because of the Hunsempa, any dim papa we gentino, and manipa sumano, and will be pese or be one. Sana big ye. Nti David and chance your man banning to couldn't for long. No. Oh, this woman, she's so good. Who are not on to sick and we. Nti mun kono mun proposal. Listen to what happened. I'm finishing. I have some there, and it goes to for man and women. Also, when David's servant came to Abigail at Carmel, they told her, David has sent us to you so that we can take you to him to be his wife. To be his wife. Nyetam na okushia no me pese nipa bi ti ase no mama enana no nyetam okushia no onena nka hwe onto se be ma ne wuye ena tie ne ye biem enye David ne kum berma no ena nti wuye oba wa ha nko fe drum mu aduane ma kunu ni so wagimi nti uko ware obi foforo don't do it ena wuye berma enko ye bibi ntia wo yire se wagimi nti na wako ware foforo oba na berma ne wuye wuni kwan se wo ware foforo get this nti dey see 41 or see she bowed down with her face touching the ground. Abigail tin sama David nko an ba be ka kire say ye master person wo waro o fa sare yire. Abigail bowed down and she touched her face to the ground. I am ready to serve. That's what she said. Ono so who said David Yansafo. Utie o masem. Me koya me koka ni nyansasem no wan tutumi ewu. Anka se fa wo masem ni firi ho. Wo ba de usimu sai. Won true me. Utie futu a me de ma no. Nti ebufo wo fa ya nko de betoni me kunu, me ni me kuna se no. Wo jai ma ne kai. Ti wono so wo ye bema. Ichase e ware no. Ti so wasoma se e be ware me fa me nkobra no dia. Matia se wie because wo ye bema papa. We trese me ne ko ware me kasa kire na. Obetie se ni bufu a na me jojo na koma obetie me. You see? Obi anya bibie nti wo de ko ye o. David hu so oba ni nyansa. Oba ne so hu se ememe bi wo kasa kire mo ntie me kunu tie ase me kasa kire no ko ntie. Me ma kasa kire na competition wo ko we. But David die tie me. Wo tie masama me ko ka kire no. And she said, listen to what she did. O say, I'm ready to serve. She said, I am ready to wash the feet of my master's servant. You see how wise she talks? Then Abigail quickly, listen. Then Abigail quickly got up and rode on a donkey with 5 of her female servants following her. So she went with David's messengers and became his wife. She quickly wan chayo ena mama minye kuna kakara not one mama minye kuna kakara. Dia no timu na nye but only choice. Also di nyansa boa. Ena ono na jeje ntwi sem iku no. Nti afi na se nipa wono no woni metie kora no ne niema wo ye nye eka wono nko ni suban nti obi ma ne niema so opesu obi ku ye kora na so ofiri wo afi na me metena se mesusu nipa bi wo ye nsu no nipa bi wo ye nsu no ye nsu ni nche ye nche yintumam obi abonte no obo yintumam wo betrefie no ahye fita no aye kibab no wahwe no wajejo no because that person become a burden. Abigail sufre because I knew no nka yebe ni padodo a nka David ekuku wo because of na bon kwase asem o kan ye ne nsem hu na o kekan di tia David because of one person ti ka David be ton wo nyina ase but because of Abigail nyansa nti was save souls to your mission was say this man doesn't deserve you me chane gu sesre. What does it when you put your own son no more? So what you say? Now me do we baby papa. The battle is not yours. Whatever you're going through today, the battle is not yours, brother. That whatever your wife is doing to you, no, the battle is not yours. The battle is not yours. Don't do it. A mumpai bonintia we hear so wumu, neko ware fofro. A mumpai bonintia kum so wumu, neko ware fofro. Let God do the job. Or to suru wonim see. He knows what is going on in the house. He knows what is going on in the family. When him pastor senya papa ya kako wanim. When him pastor senya mami ya ko wanim. But because of na jeje nchi sam na hankan, no one person beti nyame bininti ama wo bre. The battle is for the Lord. Let him do the job. Some women, maybe they don't deserve them. They don't deserve those men. But they cannot divorce until they have to stay. But send the place out in Bible. Will come in your defense. God himself will come in your defense. Bombay man. For your fruit ya man. Bombay to ready so on jinum on sonim. Or no ya so dear, and then you will know in your meantime. Ebia we bema wa how shami. What was our life will behavior? Nka would deserve. Nkanye what shall wrong meet? But what can you do? You cannot divorce because God cannot condone divorce. Bombay man, Serewade, so a man a Jane Sakra. Bombay man, a conscience of it me, you be man. Or no Kasa and Koye, send you to cheek him out yet. But don't do anything. Don't praise the woman. Bombay no nya mentra so no hu akoma ekuta wo. No no anka sensa ne mra e mekonkom ma wo. Basa wo ye wadwe se wo de ntokwa de be hye wo nsama you will fail. So what you say? You move be play de ntokwa ne hye ye nsam. And maybe the red go because of the difficulties. And maybe because of the difficulties. But when you do that, when you will become the more bad things they were doing against you, no, you do good things towards them. Now you move so near the now. Because I know me boy. I did you will say, Sabama would you young son and you Jimmy for. Because what to me more? I dare you will say, so by me young son very smart. None could you didn't cheer to send number. What to me calling because what shall I say? At the mount. Or cause suddenly maybe I will shall I say. One Abraham, one Koso, who shall I say? Until my day, and I will change that door, and I will sue them, but leave the battle to the Lord. Don't curse him dead. Don't wish him dead. Leave it to the Lord. Leave it to the Lord. Bema bi ne yiri timi tete na saa me kai me mami bi papa bi o ware na ne yiri wu ye kekase ne yiri no oba ne si tete papa no e ne oba ne firi moja papa no the same as a man bi so bema ne timi tete no wo so bema ne firi moja no the way you nyina pagya woni hwe urade enya ya ware because wo ma ye kwan say enya ya ware and wo ma kwan so say gine boni tia no wo dabri chire don't do it. Se urade ma no na wo no ase wo ntie urade dia enye na urade dia wo ma ne nkrante so a osofo eli ne ka kire ne ma osese onipa ye onipa boni a yin obi ma ne beka ne se onipa ye onyankopon boni a hwan ne beka bia ma no one of the way you born no, you bet me you be a man beka, but so solitude ready and when they become man. When you mention in Granta de Ba, who can stop it? Who can stop it? If you are a bad man, how show me? If you cross of you when you mean you say can be doing so for or bad difficulties in doing to me crying a minute juma. Who should I know what it say? If you are about when you mean you say in the juma. Who could difficulties in the way and my one to me stable to do the work of God. Leave the battle to the Lord and he will come into your defense. Because me will say be see Bible or see a fiance or he was Isaiah who you know Isaiah who were ready. Send Nipani Hosea when you maybe separation baba who were ready. But you don't have to say it. Leave the battle to the Lord. Say ready, come me. Me tumagina wajinem ibinuma ye wo mabia katinko man kran fa no but awari benti o makaka dem ye wo meruma bia bonki kran fa ne ho but wo mu yire no monte o makaka dem. The difficulties they can move forward. Ye wa sofobi kenyaminsa wo so they can do more because of their wives difficulties they cannot move forward. So what you say? We have to use the wisdom that we have to support them, pray for them, and leave the battle to the Lord and see their own wickedness will kill them. Oh yes, their own wickedness because we'll be paid what was so yet radia what fun who did toto. Oh boy, oh be paid what blockage. Ama unyame what fun who toto. Ensi basa wo gene boni mani pakro no na wo show w chi se bibi nto no ene wo benyini kura chepa eno awrade be hu se wo na pesa wo ye adwuma nto beja ma waka nti atete ne de se wo timana ne se Yesu beba ni nyina ne se wo nyan che papa no wo nyan che maame no wo ma wadwe mu nye fan wo gene boni tia no nti adwuma wo pesa nyame ye no wo nye because wo gene adwuma ne ye. Yes, Abigail, she leave the battle to the Lord. Obaya ni kuna borono, wa modede oyedi ohwe no ma ne nsa tete na ni so nsa na wotu se ni kunu ji ni nyina chi no do no edi ti no woko akopa David chawo nse ka obi akobeka sa wa ka kwa ne ba o se yesi David o se ne mi firifia me bekra me kunu se mi ko mikro ti me ba no na David abeku na wie na che se ma ye kuna na ese metumi akwa ware because what we what me so what tete me so what you say ebia ye me na wanke nkasa yesi yo yate e china me ko mikro no afre no odo we dey yesi yakra me se me ma me yare nti me pese me kono me ko di na wotwe mienu na ka wona ne nko ane ne party o ye na ka David ne na yi na amisa beto ahye no so ne ye destroy wo nyina but oba no do ni kunu wo gene ho ehu se me kunu ani wo ye wo nyo me kunu no titu wo di boni bia ma me fa me nyansa ne me nim die enko stop bibia na nya kan and na you say the timi yesa we want God to fight for us but it seems like we are fighting for ourselves. It's because you are fighting for yourself. That's why you don't get results. But if you leave the battle to the Lord, He will fight for you perfectly. Fantastic. Beautiful. So what you say? And then it's because you did not leave the battle to the Lord. Who time? Who can some? Who can boniti am to ye no among for suspects? No so because who know what you say, we so crack out pay until yam power no kuno, and some name pure no, but what you so what you see? But if you're going to leave the battle to the Lord, obey yam na ye family nipa, a yes in a month for sister. Kafrawati, name adibi the boni munan yimu. Bema titi wo bra kafra wate yako nebo made bi boni nna yi mu sister ya titi wo ye nna nyame asese nya wo na wuja no sanetio. Now sometimes people don't think say the nipa wo yibia yehu nipa de wo yibia yehu hunhum fam hunam fam yehu whatever you do hunhum fam hunam fam people see it. Until now, I need unyame to me manifest because I general ikutikutaye no inkoye bema jini boniti ya here ebede wakoso obe jini boniti ya nikum ebede wakoso nti rade bebe bia mumi no dampa no so bada jini no nko benkrom nti ne bema ne yiri ntimi so ne mompaye bo de na me momi de fo Bible says baby and benu na ba san be hia no no be ya adwene ko bibia ho awade obeye praye wi ba ko ebu kamo mamu nti be ma ne so ni gya no oba ne so ni gya no ye bompa ye tu ye ma hye awade nsa eye we bompa ye ma ye nyuma ayeye eni ma koso but now they were on the same bed but oh yes no oya di obebo na dwe peso obebo ba ko no so afa no ade sai na opeso o chese obu honum kra ni oba ne koso na ye ne ya obu ha be ma ne koso na ye ne ya minim ye America ha ya oba ne be ko aban oba ko White House minister CB oba ne trasi ento oba ne ma no enima be koso se di kunu na ye ada ya be ma ne pese oba ne be ko aban afede chire opushi ya oba ne still atum so oba ne be ko no wo protosi nkuku no e chire asem ne ba ne ye hwehwe mu ne se be ma ne soma se ki nkuku oba no. Because of position obani benyenti eya ne ya yekuku na America heya ne see me hwe news no e dey say world news. So what you say ni kuna na nante ne nasia mpese obeko power because we oba oje ne nimunyam. Listen to this. But man bi ho wo ya kandifo na mema ne bi so ya kandifo untumi nkane hye. Obisu ni kunu koso na ye ne ya me kunu nye sika obe wale bi aka me untimu onye bi me kunu kona ni mu business ni mu oni onye sika ebi obekwa ko fama ntimu onye bi me kunu what say nti sika di sika bi onye bi da ni ye jini boniti ya ho nti ebede na nyame nhira na ba Enhyiamudie mu kura no adwene no yɛ different. Omudi nhyiamu kura no adwene no yɛ different. Ebeda yi. A man be so bold mukunumaso to do things. A man be a bold mukunumaso to do things. Some of them they do it by themselves. The Bible no call 1 Kings 21:5. 1 Kings 21:5. You hear the man be so to me. 1 Kings 21:5. Hey. 1 Kings chapter 21 verse number 5. Your Bible no call. You hear the Bible so ye, Jezebel so ye. You can have 21 no. It is 31 no now what you see kakra me do and stop. Or say this is what happened next. Naboth from Jezreel had vineyard in Jezreel. Is it Jezreel? Say Jezreel. Oh, what am I? Jezreel. Next to the palace, or next to the palace of King Ahab of Samaria. Ahab told Naboth, "Give me your vineyard. It will become my vegetable garden because it is near my house. I will give you a better vineyard for it, or if you prefer, I will pay you a fair price for it." Naboth told Ahab, thank you. The Lord has forbidden me. When you Abigail kuno, where you different. The Lord has forbidden me to give you what I inherit from my ancestors. Resentful and upset, Ahab went home because of what Naboth from Jezreel had told him. Naboth had said, "I will not give you what I inherit from my ancestors." So Ahab lay on a couch. Ahab lay on a couch, turned his face from everyone, and refused to eat. Obi bobetro. Wose on fama on be wa himfie. Wose ne nananom na ewuo de agya. Wo yo hene, ede nko na wo bebutum ho a oni bere a opese ye de ma. Wose on fama wonti, obu ofu, wakoda akonyum, woni mu nyina sesa. You refuse to eat. Wose aduane kora woni na yentie. 5. His wife Jezebel came to him and asked, "Why are you so resentful of everything? Why don't you eat?" Jezebel Busam. He told her, "I talked to Naboth from Jezreel, and I said to him, 'Sell me your vineyard, or if you like, I will give you another vineyard for it.' But he said, 'I won't give my vineyard.' His wife Jezebel said to him, 'Aren't you king of Israel? Get up, and eat.' With his seal, she sent, and eat. And eat. Cheer up, I will give you the vineyard belonging to Naboth from Jezreel." Debut. Jezebel Bible say, cheer up. Didi vineyard no me de bema. Sister Eyawodia. Ye mu bi sa na etio. Didi bra, didi nti wenti na aboafu no. Be didi ne pensa bi no. Odi agya ni nyina mame. Osiso Jezebel wrote letter, signed them with Ahab's name. Ochro letter signed it with Nikun Edin, and sealed them. And sealed them with his seal. Because so she sent them to the respected leaders and nobles living in Naboth city. ono ade ni kunu din chro letters sili esende e de koma na bot ekuru ni city ho kunu mu mpanifo ni munyamfo mo ho no. In these letters she wrote, announce a feast, a first seat, a feast, no, first, okay, seat. Now, seat Nabal as leader of the people. Have two good for nothing. Of course, good for nothing will do this. Have good for nothing. Two good for nothing. Good for nothing men. And have good for nothing men sit opposite him and accuse him of cursing God and the king. Then stone him to death outside the city. Only good for nothing men will accuse someone for what they did not do. Almost said he was sending letter and you true. You get a good for nothing man. No moment. You be papa no. Every see and they say a konyenim. Ni accuse no so akaseti urade. Any Israel hine. Na kromo so sie ka u kaseti urade. Na kaseti o hine you be si wabo. Ni fani kokuru no ko si na bo. And they did that simply because the reason why we answer or people be true the money kunu. And to see you free hodia, your money be wa sanity. And my be sanity. And you could your mama journey, I would be wicked, and she will be in Japan, dear feelings. So by a gentleman, they didn't know. And money be they call themselves Christians, they do that. Woman who couldn't for a dear dear. Me go jai man ko osijai who di jemu mame me do hujuma. They do wicked against the person and take the any kunudia e dia man. In the name of Bemani ni wa ni mabe dia die. Upo ya didio, they do anything to take it from the person who's supposed to do it. Ye dia man ni pakofo. With their wife's help. Mini nisa na bo kachere na o kachere ne se won fa bo betru ni manano na agene ye ne se won kokunu se ko yo hene wanyene sa when na di agene ne ba he ne ye was won kwade wan kancha o se magia ma don't worry ono so we musa ne se e kon be so na obefa obegia ma me because what be ni ma kachere me se ade no on fa ma me ne nananom na ewudi agam so what you say when nim se ne yire ye wicked what trusting no you okay if you say so okay mate. Whatever you will do, no, just go ahead and do it. And she went ahead and do this wicked to this man. Your man be blessed. We need cheers at the ukuli and yet, but we support them. Instead of being like Abigail, we tend to be like Jezebel. Ibikura safu. The baby ho. Yamfa manikum. Ni buofo peso ye hu bibi obetra ya se obeju wo sofo ne nase ye be pa obabi kura no na koye ne twentru bi ato ne so ne yi ne fra safonim na ni kunu nya sa position. It goes on. There's so many Jezebels in our churches, in our community, in our families. They do this. Yichinchim kwofo nsa obi eweje japade ma ne ma obi am nipa ne nua no why young Chandibia to Nicolinitrim? I will do this. Will be clear a lawyer. Meaning the mayor, he bit my taxes. You may ye memo, we, at the end of my bell, dear, don't worry. Obey me yet, the corona in Nicoldiano, yet the man who needs a no me wrong. You don't know? Who knew one? Any brand of many piasa. Come ye, Jezebel, who could you libre for? We are in a dinner of Pawina. Or buy an anybody will be at the no to the formula, and no dear, German and come, or send in a bush for the dear Jano. Let it go. Instead of so bit to Nicolino for, or dear Jim, what ba, or dear Nibran catch and Bible crossing Nibranye. Or see your mamma and I Nibranye, me would cross and yes set at the nefo. Ye Christopher, we shouldn't be doing this. And yet, a Nibranye. Ubikura to num kwate jaya nibre enibre di enyo jaya nibre even krampo yesi em kwasoro no ubikura bo num wi asini ye na no kire se nibre ye nti ni bre de nye nti mi wura gyan maninka manfa o ku ya de na fe pa ke ban ni fi o si gyan manfa nye hwe but da bi o e mani bi kuta sa Jezebel su ya yedi ye me funu support you kunu mo gye ne ma enye the same as Safira. She did the same thing. Munyina no ko hye nyame bo na mso mo be ye bibia ma awurade mo ko ton asase woni okunu gina hono mo say na sika di aseso yenti bi si osiran miwa yenti kakransi yinyina ye kwa woni bi ye ko no ye ko kase se ya na ye ton obawati osiran matimikum yenka ne sa ne ton wodi kan ko meso me ba sa na meka no sa ne ye ton wososo woni hunhuma wo ye kronkron na ye ko kase so what you say woni hunhuma wo ye kronkron wo hu ade nyina nyame basa kro wo hu ade nyina woni ne na akwa kase wono na wo hye ni boyi wo ko se wo dabri chire di konkonsa aka ho asam aka bibi de opasa wo ye e wo mpam wo abra ne ni krotwe wusi wo hu tika ba ko bi na no kase ye ntibi si o se na bi mi wagya yesa ni anya de nyame ne ya hye ne bo nyame so ne ni hunu ma nyina ye ya ne yese ye koton ade ne de aba ye kwakoton ye fa sika ne pepepe ko me ntibi nsie wo de esisi ane ho kire ye nyame de wo ma ne bibia ho na me nyame bibia o hye no na mu de o ma nyame bibia o hye no na mu tu de ye fa nko ma nyame na ye de ama no no wo nim sie ho kire o be hye ya na mu tu de ye fa nko o kan e no so sie ho kire ntie de nyi nyine ko no so se pe ye mu bebre ye kunum timi de adwene bi ban nye ne atfo wo mo so ye yirenum timi de adwene bi ba enye o ne yafo wo mo so to do it at the end of the day ne di sunsun so boni aye dey na bre ne di sunsun so boni abre itimi kuye saka ade say Ananias e de adwene ban na ade say ne yire kasa da bi ni kwasi di ntro kire wrade mi wa fasika na akọ no akọ ni okudi no ntro na oba ne ban na o kan kura ka wangu enam se wo support ni kunu wickedness nti woni ni kunu nyina wu basaka o manya mi su timi no asa oba ena wonfo de ni kunu ye ni so akọ da so wonkwa ye mu bebre ye ni nkwa because ye fo ye kunu so mu di bone ye mu bebre ye ni nkwa because ye fo ye yero no so e mu di bone ti ewrade nti ye ni nkwa Nina ne se me domikunu nti de o se me nya bia e o se me ye Bible so Bible ho asihye wukunu ase nti me kunu ko fanse hunu bi afiri ba bi ba ahombrase ne nti e o se me support no se be tie wurade kura e o se me support no se be ku bi kura e o se me support no se be ji obi ejapade a e o se no wonya me nka ne sa. He did not say that. Ye on self to boafo so what you say ye banu ba ku tirimu epro mienu tirim eyeye nti ba ku de adjene ba na nya you advise the person we na de adjene ba na nya onu ate ho a obe hu se ne yiri ni papa onu ate ho a obe hu se ni kunu ni ah mi kunu yi ni papa po tu ko mu bi kana se mi kunu nya sada ni nyina ne se ku bre bi etwam wo de adjene bi ba wo yira ma kwan ukunu ma kwan nti ma wo se ukunu de so we be come once more my husband would never do this. So what you say you must say you bit masa you kunuti. You must say you bit masa ya yiron muti. The ajino wo de ma ya kwra chese wo monye. Ajino wo de ba chese wo yi gem nipa. De bi ne na chinkoto gem. So you mu bebre. Ye imbresi atopa ni eja nyame wo. Atopenti maminya boni nti awrade mi kunu de oye man support no beja me e yuja me soso a na nsen kurum ha wo ha pa nti atopenti eja nyame asem ho ene ye ni ma boni ti awrade ne yire na de o so wonye ne nye ekoti awrade wa anya ne yire beja ne nti obego against onyame asem na at the end of the day waku so what you say you will be blessed. Problems are you move be communina and some mambo bossy, the farba a honey free. The farba a honey free. So what you say, Obabona Catre, so Berma, or Barney or Berma, and oba ne bema ne bema and na emerima na oba ne oba and na emerima and oba na. Okay, God is against it. So mudom and gomoria wickedness or muye unyamempe. So ne bema who don't oba e jenyamia samo emani kunu kwan so won fa ne to sand e bema ni kunu na dom nyesa obija na kofo ba foforo nti ne Christopher ma eti Christo mu ema wo mu practice gay for tilumudifo practicals e wo fie ebe na nyame hu matena wo ebe na nyame hu matena wo ni nyansa ma nyesa obija me kofo ba foforo na wa be ho ayeden nti so so be fa me to dia se se ye guest ne ma ye mema ne fa wo mo to nti ma me mpene no fa me to na me ne ntena okukum. So what you say? Obana yet no makati ni kunu say seven previous one fa na no o de kan hallelujah. En fa seven previous ni bam. Sa no pe. Wa gine wo ba no ho. Di obeya ma oba ni agine ho no. Ache wo nyame asema o gensi sa de no. And all this is going on in churches. The Christopher Ekoso. Ntibede no nyame shira same bibia kayema. Nti ne wo bi wa wo ba ma ne ba na koye gay won tiase. Onim se wono ni kunu di kan practical a practice na transfer ko mo ba na so onim. There is so much abomination in our secret places. Unyame ompe and it inshire to me ma wari ni. Ye kuno no mu desu boy bi di nye. We don't want to tell them because we are afraid so we be jai. A man desu boy bi di enye. We don't want to tell them because we are afraid say obi jai wari. O mami sika on ne sika kutamu me ne kasa say she won't give it to me. When it she has a clear cron for yazan, and you know why yet, but you refuse to advise him. When it she has a one yet, but you refuse to advise her. Nina some can be jammy. As someone will be dear and yet. Or Beth, you will jump down, say some would be good dear, and take a Bemanians are fortunate as a cousin. No way. Dear body, and you will be dear. Who that baby one you use our wedding now? Who baby a befa? Obaya, Mira, you pass me see the way my deal with you send me good dear pa. Other what can say, and what could jump to me so? I listen to you be chat to the end, and you are no. Tina to no idea you are no, and the no one. And the Miss Porto Quasio, as I was not to be the whole. Father Faco born who we are from a for come. Some married couple are in the house, they were talking like this. Tika nipa ne ba ye na ba ko ni nyansa che ba ko no nanka ba ko ne yi ni nyansa ne di Bible no de no wo nyansa me yi ni nyansa di until Jezebel ni ku eno kura me nye sure say ka Jezebel simu pon se wo kuku abrante na ka bia ni kunu tie because woni wudi ni ntina akwa ne kasa omfa ma no wan kasa se ko bi di kan be fia kasa da bi akwa ne so omfa ma me mema brafo na kuku no na magi me should I be kuno na maji. But he was sad. Why? Because one to me nyamoshe. A kuma jeni amanitrim. But a bani yiritrim. So what you say? Sabetie. You mubi wo very smart, very wise. You mubi so foolish. Ibinu ya jajentri nti aye opposite each other. Nti di owa gene pa no okuta nyamegene no omwa di wonkuta nyamegene no omwa do nyamfa ye nyina nkosha boni omwa boni be kum boni fo obi betima kansama guso ma na be ka wo ma ene onana no obi betima shani da briche akansama guso wo de odi aye nti wodi okunu ama na be ka wo ma ene onana no Denyansa su edi echire ukunu. One day obeka de wo ya chire nipa. Denyansa su edu echire wo yire. One day obeka se mi kunu die this one, he won't do it. Me kuno dear, he won't do this. Nipa na osu di bone na wo twa so se wonye no. One day wono abeka se me yire dear, she won't do this. Yes, nipa so me see wi ade, ye nyamfa wo nu ho se me yire dear. She won't do that. Me di entia, emre bi na me kodiga. Me kototo niema wo stop. Me call ye no, me kaya ade e bi to me Christmas yam, me kodiga. Me call Target. Me kototo niema. Me do na machine they say oh your friend simple. Net that cat ni. Normally so upia na bibi dem ni ancheke a. Ade no alarm no so kwen. Alarm na so ade ne dem me manhunu. Ma check me bibi ade egum. E de pia bonti akodu parking lot. Me yibi ni magu na me hu say dem na ade na mo. Ti me yam say me pinsi parking lot wana me nkwa na because me pentem. And I be because I said no, who PSC parking lot and who be baby we said the one where we are to take it back and give it to them. Te one time to can me ko pack kwana no na me saw me flashlight to see so na di America na me de koy na me say we a former ba me name me de ma woman no me sa na me di America sa pie. Tama na ukunu na ma mo costo am ko to niam no. Bibi fum be kan wo niam no. Mu ya kan no no se o mi amfanko wo mo anko mbefa. Check miam fantum omoni mana kra board miam fanko no hu sa wo kronfo ba wo du ka ni mu na ka sa da bi miam fanko momo wo do ye fanko o da bi miam fanko momo da bi ye yesa ye onyame mpesa na di mi ka de koye and wo tu no bi be ka chen so wo wi ade akobe ka sa me yire nyesa da. My wife will never do that because we be kai wo wajim se bi bi kra me ni tikem ye koko di jo wo man ye man bi from fire e fra ye niam wo sa sign the koba wo mo. The same thing maybe a musa, Miss Alcosto, me cototon tabia me bay, Bacosana bets, a cajon, say will be nice a dear su bets and on Wajanho. Na befra. Timmy perfume me to film me who's a target different. There's a bets and I will see check a different. Nipper was checking me out to the feast at the boom into what charging me Bacusika. Timmy me by the who's at the end of Berton, a different tag until was see chiaka. I take it out and give it back to them. Until they give me store discount almost a way. The lady opened her mouth. Hey, dum. And all the money has not me. Now see a way. I can't be banner, you know. Who check in a visit in here and don't go one charge it. Intimidate back charge it. She discount me big. And you know one so. See, I'm a tear me cool. Who catch and see some mammy not to we are there. Oh, you need that. Because my yibi one any mamma. But some my yibi one any, and you feel be them see him from qua. Who be come because oh, be kind, the done moye, and nature say, Minnie when I make me ring qua on the own so you see. Did you win? A baby pano wa kayo. A baby kayo. He didn't know I decided David Kai Abigail. Who said you bad him? Me grab me slow. Me pow chow. Funny you not chummy. Me kumuni nana, o ye didn't cheat. One can say, oh, David, me das. Me de me say, Yammy, tea me sutre. Bemme ya di odi ye me pa, ni su Jimmy for Mr. David. Me you want some warrior branty. And some of them will be more than you. Timmy, if you me feel, my clan is some me coachia me mammy. Until your person do call you be a cocoyano. David, when I make a tell you go. Just I do the me pa, just say, and yes, I'm get to intimidate me come me kind one tea, me by crano, or your party with you, why ain't our brucetta? Timidate me make up, Tinny me by Anna, and then they may be can the opposite of the Mikumbia, where they say you will be the Kumanchi. Both your connected your conjecture, man, and the cocoyano. I know me because I say pa dear. Me make kwa me ma me kind me and menti o mo kan sa kwa ye jejentwi we jim for menti o e me nye hwe bi susu no hwe mi o David to wa hwe me oba fefe. You see how beautiful I am. Unya nana nka me tu o ni mo ate ka me tu manta de sha me nefe me se me bria de ode ayo watiti mi anche ah tete me acho David me pa cho to wa hwe me oba ye me say me kuna tete me on hwe me so e no say Jimmy for when is me university oh obi an job me wie legon me wie legon what David me wie legon what and akoya be wa ka wo bi say na ka minya wo ware ya ke ye pa to who say me buy say wo ho jo woni mi nyansa pa so mi kuri to de mi na mi free o say le be ya me na nka mi na me nka ho ntu de o kwa de o de be ni bia na kwakọ chiri. She did not do that. Even though Nikuru ye she didn't do that. And no ma wo nyami gina na gina. So let's share ababa we this one. I'll kill this man with his own wickedness. Okay? She didn't do that. Nti David jina hu say be me ni super order na di ni ma nyina no. Oba ne ba he no. She did not allow me to just go and destroy him on his behalf no. Oba be pa me chaw. Se me nyama ne nka. Odi bibia sa bre me e be djojo makoma. Oba we oba wo se ware no. Oni me nyansa. O she no appearance so to say no ho fe oba yeso wo butu benim. A very beautiful lady, intelligent, she's smart. Oba was up one fena ho fe ni bibia wo butu benim apa me chaw. Oba we oba wo so we ware no. Ti se ni kuna wu me ma ne tena se ni kuna. Me kwakọ fana na ma ware no. Ti oba ye. Nipa na wo she okutu pasa ye no ono so wo help. Ono so hwa. Ono so o hwa. Ona fufuo na ono mu bo potwa no. A wo di machi no. Wo bi di ho dance ye da wo bi wu a wo mbeka. Wo yase no mbeka se media fo wo die. Media fo na wa hage ko afre na dada. Yi na se ni bi di ho dance bon. Ti nipa hye. Be ma na wo ne tie no. So wo ye di boye ni wo hyew. Prove your Christianity. Na mani ni wa chi nkoso mawurade. Prove it. What do what you saw? Yet you obey, then praising God, no sampa. You were Christopher. When you were shown to pursue couldn't drink rabbi, who ye Christo, you were down Christo so much, and you couldn't chimu couldn't dress rabbi. Was show to pay, you couldn't drink rabbi. What you know, we hear she, and down Christo so much, who couldn't dress rabbi. So what you say? To be busy over can hear it, made it as way to fall. What one can grow, winning wrong. What one can't live in an answer why you be a man. One practice of Christo Sona Manu, why you be a man, and dance you been 1 year. But we are not on Nessie for nothing, no way. Me, yes, sir. Me, Christo, oh, mammy was so. Oh, there's a way near Christo, now what we had. Well, Castle was a Bible set to a true teenager and a bosom. Me, Conco, dear Tronch, and me ready. Into be banyo semiku, we could be who conconsa, or what can say, me hero on your sir. I do chikura yetro. Me hero on to sada. Miku on to sada, I do chikura, a yetro, on nitro. Nini understand why you be a man huntia. But do we do that? No. We support them to sin into a tone on Mr. Wankasakran. It is over for what Chiako be on farm. And then you mean three or when saying because I throw in a general papa ni Satan. What I say, the only year into one you so what I say, the only yenti, only the bonny, only the bomudinti on you. Tibonia and Yikunum, ya yerum bomudino, on yini. A papa of Fen was this will be a one worry. A Fen of Picum, and obey may be a bell. No, latch out. Unkoma woody, excellent, or was so one or bewaro. Or will true one in them commodity. The intil quite one may be what's can't be. Or who says so one, by whom? Bra, the test no friend of one fan and until one who could bear so bewaran no at the same cotton baby did or no didn't come a crebino. Won't send me a kind won't say or do a chamber. Until now, Frey one fan, you fear by Funtil. The few won't buy and walk on dungeon home. Sister, not called dungeon so on to the little swap, or be the doctor into friend comfort. Until you fear by phone and doing a new master and the wako. So what I say, what do one man or be a who dates? Now see a man why. Era wo benom de no se me pensuo. O hwe wadwene se woni mo. O te ase, wo de twabi na spit wo nsem ni go. Enu mu no obefa se wo ware ne be yi a obefa. So we su de okuduru ho no ma me wo benom de no se me pensuo na se mo ma me wan. Mo wala ka wo. Hwe kakra gu ma me. Im twa kakra ntimi didi. E mo go da ne Guinness. Ah ma me Guinness ni mienu. Na ato na wo no. Onum ye wo nsem ba e bia ni wa. E ko na so ye. O cheki hu se we ye kukuru mponi ni ebeso a. Ebe kakra obesi tent no wa party no wa wim petition ti wutumi nya vim no bank asa je se wotwa kakra na yesa wonya correct mo sa no na wo beban ne yire kora je se wotwa bi na ni kan ontumi men ne yire we wonya marriage material ono betena se didi am wotua ka obesori aka obefre no mfa because wo hu se so wono ko anim a obeha no e maybe we are wise yo nsi ebe hu mo na wa che na wa wari sister nyo no wo hu mema no mo ba no wo we wo mu a standard no a wo hwehwe no nnu ho nitia nye mema no na emma wo mu ba wo we wo mu a standard na sister no wo pe brother na pe no onye nnu ho enuntia ti wo no di nkomo no cheke ya no wo se nkoye no wa bo wa gine ye so what you say enno am Facebook obi se obi ni fiancé o se ni boyfriend oko Ghana ko wari obi enu nti wosu tamu ni akukodro mo titi Facebook ni YouTube mo no yabi who's the one of him who be the one of him without Christ who's the one of him who's that Satan besa wo woti kwa mo ba nti unse se wo besui wo sa kona ko dinko ma ko tu afo why na woni ne ko ka say who's the one of him who's the what am for bo on ware wo nti gana wo ware no wakosha ne ka wo tumi o won fa onyame woni sematias wo mo mbeka bia mo no mbeka bi ye jiji mpana so me ma bra me jiji mpana ene yese ne mpana ja no ene wo su oh men are wicked na nkofo bi so kan bi men na wo ye wicked no wo so wa ware na okotua ni tira de ma hwan wo ye loose ama wo chiwadi everybody Jesus Christ maybe you see ko Bible no ne see the mesem chipe Christ no mu ni die ni nyansa na ni munkuto na wonsa beka timi lose to God ama be matimi na wada de da fawo de otiatia wa bonte wa bra hunkutia otira de ma waja why homoje no waja wako sister jai su jai no mbeka biama sana atie wo mo wo bread fu wonso wo bread fu why you flat wabo be flat to see flat you and what they are born when you kawadi shege no organ and say kunkron na yire no there is nothing you can do ubodua kra nya adwuma ubodua en working udi kosio kuta kobodua wa wuzo wotimpana chim etwaso wo ware en wafa no ho age no wakọ ware obi nti se verse no wotimpana chim se won timpana chim bio because no be ware wakọ ware nti won kra wo man no odi bone ena na njina ba no so no ho bi no so on obe ware no wakọ ware nti se kra na ware wo ware chese wa firi bone mu empana chim bone nti na Facebook mi we na ye mesre oh yes na ye mesre so what am I for? Hey, ujenya me wa. Ubetena se akani pasam on social media manipa bold. Ebo and say I'm a nipa atwedi wachi. But then when physical practical comes, you can't stand up without Christ. Oh boy. Se Kristo wo mu a nko hu no ka ka chuchire no fie kon. Ene de ko nya wara wo se kunkrum na me kora me hu se wusu ya nka obeti bi ahua pa. So what you say? Come on, pa, because our jay in the meat wade. When so did there be a way of patchy? The boy no crow smart. Cause what you want him when him down be woo, yes, 2020. Into a worry. It didn't know one worry. It be a woman of chance in the beginning. What's trying to say we a man who don't want to worry? Who did a me one more? Is it too much one enough? Any more worry? Would Jenya me will lose so low? As to low, the bow one the Jama brand here, while Brown worry what you were in danger. ba obi de ye o me hu ye asantefo mu ma etire mienu nchiche mu miensa ose kwase edi a yintia so mprenu nti ko obi dia wo wani nti next time ko ni da ho we di Debi o wasa stubu so low no wa foul no mu ya di opegi na wie no wakote fofora no on bread fu next time mu free mu fia e bia third time we be wise third time we be Christ no what show the ye woni mpanimfo be din komo woni mpanimfo be kasa no wagye adwenkyere si yinya obasima obasima ya tete no fie nya no ma be ma wabra won ware no. We all did these mistakes before. But you be more ready who say no in koye. So what you say? Or so feel more frasi, no who trust a man, and no nyansa, ye de con quanjim. Who feel more frasi who nyansa and who trust a man. Kawu nyansa see any beman to know wabra 1 year 1 year. Ye didn't die in Krum wabra 1 year 1 year. Your man for you chilling your me girlfriend you, and the num social media wabra, uncle treat that your major. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you cry, you see, so you cry, you Christo Papa, who you cry, this is ye. And then the year near Bonnie Sailor was in we are singing Andre. Move you know the way near Sabba Bonnie Sailor. And then come see the Biabe, and I'm a boy. And can you be a ba, who be into me for keke? And we are still full crack on you. Go fear quiet me one dear darling, test dear, you can't touch me, and you know one thing. What is in Yaminum Muntia, we are seeing we are seeing a kayo. Kofi koya me one dear sweetie, and this idea you can't touch me one day. It is a babu and anka some wentia. We are so funny with the bonum, Kofi koya me one dear, and yes, sir, you can't touch me. I feel you we are more chance in Wusu. Said this time the any back a crady will be an amanu kuta negotia. Munkumu, and you mumekumu. Hey, Bible said you are just a cano, will be one secano. Yes, one of the apostle will be a diabosu. Sanity. Because of your two will be a child. Tis a what of bonimu. I'm a BBSC, not watch chamber ready men who until the men and some fanya di. Say your boy, no man to be a boy. No be ban obey defamia already 1 moment in them. Nessa nippano one pemmy. No me directed so on Comabusi on Coyam 1 year. No memon, a bemma who saw on Pemmy and Pap and no Pemmy Bacoye and now on Pemmy ready boy. Then you could see a Modibicuta and you could see an Abicumu. Chama move friends some of the blue bidiam and no Abicum. What you want to open the way? Only for a young woman wouldn't be one before, and did the dear one and say, what shows to be wise? So close to the support to yes, sister, dear, Mr. Meme, dear, Mr. Yamini, she or Boca, as I have. Who can meet your canoe prosper? Obey your boss. When you may support to Sanya Maniamano. Nti Maya no for sure, dear. And Brantia no more be magic you need Wabra, Unyan, own worry no. And don't want the Jama will be now sumbo. And Maya very powerful power, but we stoop so low. There's a movement put to social media moving no yeah. Who live in? Oh, Kuyan is out. Okasaka. Huh? Hey. Oh, Manicure. Mukasa and sister, you talk sense. God bless you, sister. Ready as some non wakano. Mini away, dear. Ah, Wakasan Sasapa. Now, what's that chance? No mutufo. Ekaho. Some also says a moya, some of the more powerless. Oh, you say time to me. Ntichana wane meti o mountain fui. O ntaba ya fo leader odi enim kwa ko ntaba ya. Na wana obetu fo sa no. Leader wo kuta kokodro eni ye twa sai wataba ya fo. Na wana obetu fo. Ha? Me wo Shamia, Ebi will be the best person, Munkuti. Yes, Mamma, not to a media maker say, because I love you. Next time, don't be stupid. Next time, don't stoop so low. Next time, don't let any man see your nakedness without so could you to that yamawaja. And I'm talking this because I'm a Christian. Until we are so far, oh, why not? Maybe Triana Cano, they don't love you. What's it? I love you so much, and I'm telling you this. This is twice in one day. And my name to so 3 times. Sabri de okay, and then you fear before. Because me cost to a quackotadi. Not display or hold me who we are. Me pay display, me pay the box. What do you say? What dad you who say one pay display or pay the box until next time? Put it in the box, and the person who really wants it will come and get it. That's my advice for you. And I love you. That's why I'm saying this. Because so better na social media. I mean, people do how now we do for accounts. Now the other team who to our usu. Na nyatene na ekwanso. Nkoye. It's a shame. Until we see next time. She shall radiate kwan. And yet, somebody may be who are dead so or brother won't you out to the mawaja. If you first and now you be paid. What I say? And you are sacrificial. It is also sacrificial. Don't let any man see your nakedness. Or what are your back? A man into some answer. Yes, I may remember be true of social media. A man into some answer. Yes, I may a problem of social media. Be wise. Yes, I wouldn't deserve so too before. What fail it 3 times? You don't need to advise no one. Get out. Into first, second, you're chow. Now, come back to Christ. She shall radiate quite no more in the answer. Now, who born your day? Now, baby be bent to my dia, or who so bored they won't know what's aqua. Now, more you can't answer. Omunina, omuni nyamejene. Kaya ansano, omuni nyamejene. So what you say? If you go with your men, I will mobile. And was say who because I did be a dem panasha say them yadi Satan can do any man one our union money jeda. Satan can do any more than die we and Nigia pa our young worry. Musa or chimpanzee and more worry. Musa said Nigia more. Even though you move a brother who Christo, then you come on, sir. Yet I saw so bumpers everything we mobile. One second of you more because he had the aqua good near to a boy. Near to turn it in the night, near the amateur, he said the abode. So what I say, ye and the coil, we hear the suburb pie, puppets. They said you who you Honda. For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, wine. And the American done with the Miss Sunday and obey. So what I say, no too good book. You could die in soon to say, Tandy candy and the passes, please, Sister Boy. Tiafel yesterday, I may say a demonate young fan chay. No one saw you now, and Yaman Koye. Until you coin a minute, do one for fee. Obi, I know what the daddy, or one pet, our Yana some jinning beam, and one. Say Tandy candy and when no one. What you say, our you wanted you. And it is a winning in that time, we are saying, so I want to chum petition. They said, and he said, what you mean, until Munina way and dear, until we are seeing the Ogamunian, so no cry to be able to judge them. So what I say, need judge them, and no son, I guarantee, or to be fluent any time. So what I say, because one sacred and also sacred, until no son, to be fluent any time, to be wise. It's so power. Be wise, especially the people who talk and the padudu dimochi. Be wise. Who to an amobia. You're very careful. Because we'll be lose interest in you. So what I say? Mamma not coming to me, and me click on some me. Yes, I don't deserve to be here. Men will be soon. Obe feminu ya men na miso. I cancel nipa kro. Afei no me ma betena hanom. Hey. Na boss okra na ni enya dai. da ba no so so for ko gina pulpit anim e ti ni si boy monyeme because I saw the ba bibi to no o ba so for anim nti so for su kukuom no wa hye ne ho de no odi nyame asema ma ne ho wa hye ne ho de no wa pie dia kokoduru ne ne den aba be kasa kire wo mo so gugu mreyem. Be wise. Mr. Radima Berma be a man. Don't let any woman take advantage on you. No money who are there, so don't do it. And put that. And you talk, and I can't share, and you say, oh, can't share, your marriage will be in danger. So what I say? Musa woman when you know Mudikotana puppet, and what Umuchan on him 2 months, no, the original puppet in your wedding. Mumusa, so what to me soon Christo here. Mumusa, Sawariano Crano, a cacra, Mumusa, Musa Christo, so what to me could tell me. On to me, Sacra. I would detract you ready. When you mean sin at you. No. No way. Please. Bible no crack on baby was so be dada baba one and down could train it manager. To what no count back on na kwa catch and could train it utra manager. Where they were the air back you know me and somewhat more than I had say. I take the whole lot of advantage. Why? A booba musa mom from my social media so na me mesro. Don't do it. So I and would you say Yambrasum ya? Missy can the whole show. Can the whole show front and back. But on worry, make a cambia, there's a man in a radiation. Till you meet my innocent me too for say. Make it sure say, Uncosa to be an moving some facade in you. A mamma not trying to be known to the secret. Me to the secret, who need to do it. Me come will be swatting on so they are in homework or sit to the secret. Me to the secret. Na me see me no man makutu ni secret. One na baby su we ye secret asem. Ana ye secret. E secret akwa be su on social media. Say be ma akware. Why ye ni secret? We secret dia na ke wa nye ni secret wa public na. Me na me go ye ni secret. She. Me nye sa dia na kwa. Me nye ni secret. Eno na ya kan wa. Be ko nam ye dire show. Eno no. Next time we share Bema Renier. Azafo no dos. Azafo no mobo mutu Brazilian o modos. Na pranche no kran wa wagadrigi se na ko wara odi ani ekwo. Em pranche yo, o mu wagadrigi odi ayo. Ni o wara odi a. Eh. Nyame di ho afofi wate, o pese oni ba ho so. Count it joy. Enti na obehu a yeso obi committee suicide enko committee suicide yo enkoku na wiase wumu ya oni ni obenya obi fam wa wani da me kai mi sis na amma o let you na mpo mi sis na brantie bi chese bra intimi mi hu jai chese me ne na utim say yes me ne na mi am sister so ko farbai ono a ne ko kam tiri e ko wuramu ono ansusu na ye me nyedoa o yi mi to akonya. Give me my sister on me say na dam for no. Boy you good come out say on see me from where me come. Nka say me sister ya dam for ya kwa kwasho. Kwa the boy na do. Me sister penny na. What the boy na do? Oh, 200 power bomb. Mo jina me na mi sha. Hey, yeah, unko teni asia ba. Shiakai. I'm simply na usu. Onya. Yes, what ho. We are soon one command. Yem premature death be our social media. We can't ram what. Nko soon ko teti nko. Ebi kura wonyame na aboa. Or the way I hear more to when this one near by also. Be crow a CC BB man or no could not now feel. To the way I hear more to when this one near by also. Now for why I come. So what I say. Cause we will move you on when you make a sword Joe. One for BB and 2 and so young. So what I say? To also my BBC affair now I humble. So what I say? Yes, sir. Mumu be more Sunday. In the Jesus Christ, I say. I rather me that was say. Showing him when you make see so dink on him anything so. Me that was the someone na me so. Ede was some ba. Ura Yesu Christo me so some. Se me kugu asase paso. Na yemfa ye de be ye adwuma. Na wo pie wani mu nyamo. Ya nye yiraba. Yempesa aware bi be kogem. Se de da manfo kan. Aware de nipa bebrebe kogem. Awurade hu ye mobɔ ne bie ye ni. Na de bie be kogem. Awo ya ware nti. Ura Yesu Christo bie ye ni. Na yenhunu ye ntwe ho mfiri mu. Na wo pie wani mu nyamo. Ya nye yiraba. Ye da wase wasema wo de amaye. Ye betie ye de be ye adwuma. Jesus Christ, amen.